Hello guys, this is an important video about how to use our app. There are some users who didn't understood how the app works. So let's begin now. So first of all, click on your Ton app and open your Ton app. Wait until it's opening and verifying your device. After opening, you go to home screen and there is a pop-up available here to refer app to your friend. Click on the refer button and it will take you to the refer page. Now you can see your refer code and there is another refer button. While clicking on it, you can refer this app to your friend and earn Ton points for free. Now go back to home screen and you can see the red button on the right top corner on the app. Just click on it and it will tell you to wait few seconds. After that, an ad appears. Watch the full ad and close it after watching. Now you can see the app starts mining Ton for free. Here you can see there is a mining animation instead of red button. The plus 50 means you are earning 50 Ton points per day. You can upgrade this by subscribe to our premium plans, or you can buy points directly from shop section. The time is started now, that means you are mining and how long your app mining Ton for free. After time ends, the app stops mining and you have to come back again and start mining. Now click on Earn button and you are on Earn page. On the top that there are some games you can access. Below that you have see a timer and some text that you can only see 20 ads here in a single day and how much ads you have already watched. That's also showing below. After that, there is a Watch It button. Click on the Watch It button and an ad will be load and start showing. After that, you will be rewarded with some Ton points. There are some more tasks like follow us on social media platform. You will be rewarded with some Ton points for these tasks. After that, there are some other special tasks. These tasks are only for few days. So make sure to do these tasks or they will be gone forever. Claim your Ton points before the task ends on the code tab. Here you have to enter secret code. You got these codes from our YouTube channel videos and from our Telegram channel. Now on the wallet page here, you can see the actual Ton coin available in your wallet and can send, receive, or withdraw Ton coin from here. We hope you understood how the app works. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.